More than 1,000 years ago, in the fertile plains of southern India, an emperor rose to power whose name would echo through the ages, Raja Raja Chola I. He was not just a mighty ruler but also a visionary, a patron of art, architecture, and maritime trade, who turned the Chola dynasty into one of the most powerful empires in Indian history. Even today, his legacy stands tall in the form of the magnificent Brihadiswarar Temple in Tanjavur, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an architectural wonder that has survived earthquakes, invasions, and centuries of change. This grand temple, with its towering vimana, is made entirely of granite and was built over 1,000 years ago, an engineering marvel even by modern standards. But behind the grandeur of this temple lies a secret that has puzzled historians, archaeologists, and curious minds for generations: the mystery of Raja Raja Chola's lost tomb. According to history, Raja Raja Chola ruled for more than 3 decades, expanding his empire as far as Sri Lanka and the Maldives. When he died in 1014 CE, it is said that his final resting place was hidden to protect it from enemies and treasure hunters. But where exactly is this tomb? One popular belief is that the emperor was buried within the Brihadiswarar temple complex itself. Some local legends suggest there's a secret underground chamber directly beneath the massive Shiva Lingam, where his remains and treasures might lie undisturbed. Old temple inscriptions and oral stories hint at tunnels and sealed passages that connect different parts of the temple, but no one knows for certain where they led. However, the temple is not just any building, it is considered so sacred that any excavation or digging inside its premises is strictly forbidden. Generations of kings, colonial rulers, and even modern archaeologists have respected this rule, which means the secrets beneath the temple floor may never see the light of day. Another theory points to a small, quiet village called Uddilur, located about 7 kilometers from the Brihadiswarar temple. Here, a simple stone structure, almost forgotten by time, is believed by some to be the real burial site of Raja Raja Chola. Local folklore says that this is where the great king was finally laid to rest, away from his grand temple, perhaps to protect his remains from potential invaders. Researchers and historians have tried to investigate these clues, but clear evidence remains elusive. Some ancient palm leaf manuscripts mention rituals performed at a royal burial site, but they don't give exact locations. Others say the secret of the tomb was intentionally lost, buried with those loyal few who knew its whereabouts. What makes this story even more fascinating is that if the tomb is ever found, it could contain invaluable relics, ancient inscriptions, and maybe even hidden treasures that reveal more about the Chola dynasty's golden age. Their trade routes, military conquests, and the sophisticated society they built. But for now, the lost tomb of Raja Raja Chola remains one of India's greatest unsolved historical mysteries, a story that keeps historians awake at night and sparks the imagination of anyone who stands before the towering gopurams of the Brihadiswarar temple. Perhaps someday, new technology or a chance discovery will finally unlock this secret buried beneath centuries of stone and silence. Until then, the king's true resting place remains hidden, like a forgotten chapter in the grand saga of the Cholas. So, the next time you visit the Brihadiswarar temple and stand under its mighty shadow, remember, you may be standing above the final resting place of a king whose empire once ruled the seas and whose tomb still waits to share its story with the world.